So my lenses are prepped, and I'm ready to see the world in high definition. Let's walk through how this tiny plastic miracle ends up in my eye.
You heard us refer to something called a plunger. It's a small silicone device used to put the lenses on and remove them afterwards. There are other words for it too, such as an insertion tool or a DMV. So in step 3, for putting on the lens, what we're going to do is put the lens on the insertion tool with the bowl facing upwards. Orient the dot in its proper direction for your brand of lens, either up at 12 o'clock or down at 6 o'clock. In step 4, fill the lens completely with preservative-free saline. The lens should be filled to the very top, almost appearing to overflow.
You'll actually be able to fill the lens up beyond the top of the edge. Fun fact from high school chemistry, this is called filling it up to the meniscus. You want it about 1 drop short of overflowing. Here's why. Part of the magic of scleral lenses is that they trap saline, and that saline fills in all the imperfections of an irregular cornea under the lens. As the eye enters the lens bowl, it pushes some of that solution out. So you want to make sure there's plenty to start with so there's no room for air. Otherwise, you might get an air bubble.
Next, in step 5, you'll lean forward so your face is looking down towards the floor. Hold your upper eyelid open with one finger and your lower eyelid with another finger. Look straight down into the center of the lens and gently bring the lens straight up to the eye. First, you'll feel the cool touch of saline on the eye. Keep pushing gently until you notice some of the saline dripping down your face and fingers. This is how you know the lens transferred to your eye. The lens will stay in place as you release your eyelids and resume blinking normally.
Inserting your lens is probably the hardest part of scleral life when you're first starting out. That's because your natural reaction is to blink the moment you feel the saline touch your eye. So holding your eyelids open is key. I promise this gets much easier with practice. Just commit, be smooth, and be confident, and soon you'll be going about your day with clear, crisp vision.